Hello guys, today I have come up with a video tutorial for making the subscribe button on YouTube. So there are various ways to do it, and one of the way is making it in your iMovie and with the help of Keynotes. So we'll first start by opening the Keynote app in your computer. So once it opens up, you need to click on New Document and then on My Presentation. You can see the page open up with the presentation title and other subtitles. So what you need to do here is you need to select all and delete everything in the page. Right hand side, you need to go to the background and select as no fill, and then after that you need to go to the shapes. So there are various kinds of shapes which you can see, and you can choose one which suits the subscribe logo or the button. So as you can see here, I have selected one of the shapes and I have changed the color to red so that it can suit the YouTube red color subscribe button. Now again I will go to the shapes and I will choose the play button from the shapes, and I will try to rotate it around so that it looks like a genuine subscribe button. So as you can see here, I am trying to rotate it through the right hand options which is given there. You can adjust the shape and size and the width and length as per your need. You can in fact change the color, and you can move it around so that it comes up to a perfect logo. Now we need to enter the text, and here we will write here as subscribe. And once you do that, you can again go to the right hand panel and you can choose the shape, size and color of the text as I am doing it here. The next step is very important. So what we need to do is here we need to select the entire three element that we have created and we need to group it. And on the right hand side panel you can see an option animate. Once you choose it, you need to choose the action and the type of animation that you wanted to create for this logo. So here I have created an animation which is called as jiggle. So I have increased the duration of this animation and I will save it in that way. So guys, now you can see the preview of the jiggle that I have created. So once it's done, you need to save it so that you can transfer to the iMovie. So here as you can see, I have chosen export file and I chose to save it as movie. Now the main part here is that you need to choose the resolution as custom, and as you can see here I am entering 1080 into 1920 as the resolution, and choose the last option and then click on save. So once it is saved and exported, the next step would be to open your app which is iMovie, as you can see here. So once the iMovie is opened, you need to export the media that you have created recently. You need to import it to your iMovie, and once you import it, you need to drag it to the timeline as you normally do while creating a video. So here is a short example that you can follow here that I have done, and you can see that the video that I have created, I have placed it in top of my main video. So the next step is to select the video overlay settings, and you need to select picture in picture option which will be there. And once you do that, you can see that you can drag around your subscribe button anywhere in the screen. So guys, now you can see it that it has been done, and once I play the video, you can see the subscribe button on the video and you can see the animation effect which I have created. So guys, this was a short and simple tutorial for creating the subscribe button for your YouTube videos. I hope you have liked it, and I would request if you can like and subscribe to my YouTube channel Lifestyle Tech, and I will make more such content and videos for you. Hope to see you in the next one. Thank you.